We're saying goodbye to the S2000 today. This is the last day, you guys, with the S2000. We're saying goodbye to the S2000 today. This is the last day, you guys, with the S2000. It's a sad moment. It's a sad day. It's been a long journey. The S2000. Today's the last day we're posting content for the S2000. I'm no longer going to be posting any more content for it. This is the last video you guys will see, not till it is officially done. Once I post the next video of it is going to be getting completed, and then the next video after that will be when the car is completely done, finished. Those are going to be the only next two videos of this car that are going to be done. For right now, it is over with. It is done. We got other projects I want to focus on, and I want to bring into the channel to give that brand new refresh, which is going to be a Civic hatchback that I bought, which I'm really excited for. And I do have another one, but that one's going to be for shorts, reels, and TikToks if you want to check it out. It's a blue little 2001 Honda Civic, but I'm not going to be doing much to that car. It's just a quick fix and flip I'm trying to do. For the S2000, we are done with this. After that, I just don't want to touch it for a fat minute, like a fat minute. Like, we're talking about years. After that, after this, I just want to enjoy the car. Enjoy it completely.
This car has gone through so many phases. I know people are asking when's it gonna be done, when's it gonna be done, but I've been enjoying the journey. All the people that I have met along the way because of this car. It's been great. It's been awesome, and yeah, I'm ready and I'm excited for what's to come next for it, and I hope you guys are too. So till then, see you in the next one. Peace.